On this video, I'll be showing you how you can do ACH transfer, right? And this video is for educational purpose because I noticed a lot of people has been looking for a way to do ACH transfer. And on this video, I'm going to review all the method and all the easy process for you to be able to do your ACH transfer successfully. If you are joining my channel for the first time, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube account so that anytime I drop video like this one or similar to this one you're about to watch, you won't mix. Make sure you turn on the notification button as well. Like this video and drop a comment. All right, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and this video is for educational purpose because a lot of people has been asking me how can they do this. Make sure you watch this video to the end, right? So let's go. So now I'm going to do it on my mobile phone, right? I'm going to make use of my mobile phone to do this. So, and I'm going to do this making use of online banking, which is PNC, right? I'm going to make use of the bank PLC. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end.
This is a video tutorial for the ACH transfer, how to perform an ACH transfer. This is a PNC bank. I'm using my mobile phone, that's why it's displaying one kind. So truly I really want to link an account. I want to perform an ACH transfer right now. ACH transfer, if you read the write-ups I give to you, you understand how it works. The first thing you do is link up the account, your external account to your client's account. You understand? And it takes 2 to 3 days to get your trial deposit for the link up to be successful. So now once you just log in your client's account, the first thing you do, click on transfer. That is the way you know if an account is ACH enabled. Once you click on transfer, there must be external account. A way to add an external account, you can see external account. Click on external account. Click on external account. Now, once you click on external account, you'll be asked to put on the what's it called? Click on external account. You click on add a new account because we want to add a new account. Understand? So every bank with its own stuff. Now they'll be asking you the account type you want to add. If the account what's it called? If the log you bought is a savings log or a checking log, you click on it, you select it, select it right here. I'm using a checking log right now. Now you'll be asked to put in the nickname of the account. Just name it anything. I'm going to name mine Chase 101. You understand? So now they'll ask you for the routine number. I already have it copied, and the account number. Understand? Ask you for the routine number and the account number. I have it already. I'm going to be linking. So that's it. I'm going to be adding it, and you see the way I add. You enter the account number twice. Now this is my routine number. You see, immediately I put the routine number, they told me it's Chase Bank. They detected it automatically. It's for Chase Bank. Now, after putting these things correctly, the next thing you do is to click next and wait for it to load. It's loading. It's loading. Now, this is what it said. Verify your external bank account. For your protection, we need to verify that you own this Chase Bank checking that ended with this account number. How would you like to verify? Is it that you verify instantly or verify with a bank deposit? That is that they are going to make a 2 small deposit. That verify small deposit posted to your account in 1 or 2 business days. You understand? So what I'm going to do is click verify with bank deposit because we don't have the full access of this log. If not, we would have done verify instantly. You understand? But all we have is just what? we only have we only have the username and password of the log, and the account number and routing number. Now there is a sense you can use in watching the transaction going on in an account without even logging in through the bank account and to the bank's main site. We use what's it called, an application. A lot of applications, and even sites. You can use Boxfire, you can use Personal Capital, Capital, Empower, Money Lion. There are a lot of them that you can use in checking, like monitoring your account, the log you bought. Now what will happen is, once I click verify with bank deposit, it will load, and now this is it. Now they will tell me I've done it already. So they said verify with bank deposit. Number one, click send me to deposits. We will send you an email and make 2 small deposit of less than $1 into your Chase Bank checking account ending with this number. Wait 1 to 2 days, then log into your bank account and look for the 2 deposit from PNC Bank. Now this is how the 2 deposit is going to be coming. Like, the 2 deposit is going to come this way. You can see it's coming this way. The down one should be the first. If you want to add, the down one is the first deposit and the up one is the second deposit. You understand? Now, but they said check your email for instruction on how to return here and verify the deposit amount. We don't need to check our email because it's a simple thing. We'll just log in and click on transfer again, then continue our transfer. Then you see a box where you have to put the 2 small trial deposits. You understand? Now right now I'm going to click send me to deposits. This is it right here. Send me to deposits, because that's we call it trial deposit. You understand? It's a trial deposit. Once this 2 trial deposit is sent to your log, the only way you can see it is in your log is when you link your log to the monitoring app that you'll be able to use to monitor all transactions going on. You understand? Now I'll click on it. Send me to small deposit. Now this is it. They say 2 deposit are on the way. You understand? The next step is the 2 deposit will appear in your Chase Bank checking account in 1 to 2 days. Now they said check your email for instruction on how to return here and verify the deposit amount when you correctly enter the deposit amount. They said when you correctly enter the deposit amount, your account will be verified straight. Once you just enter it, the deposit amount, your account will be fully verified, and you can move money from the log to this account anyhow you like. Note, we will claim the total amount of the 2 deposit. They are going to make those small deposits into your account. You understand? But they will collect it back because it's their money, just to verify that you are the owner of this. Now I'm done here. You understand? So I'm done. Now once you put in those 2, now they said your Chase Bank checking with your ending with this account number has been added. Please return in 1 to 2 business days to verify this account. That is when you have to come back and put those 2 small trial deposits. Once you put those 2 small trial deposits and you got it correctly, that they know that yes, this is what they actually sent to you. Now this is what you are going to be seeing, something like this. That is your account. Now you can move money. Now if you want to move the money, that after putting your 2 trial deposits, you understand, here you see the amount. Let's say you want to move 1.5 from the log, you just click 1.5. You understand? From which account? Click from which account. Select the Chase, from the Chase, but the Chase is not here yet because we haven't linked it completely. You select from the Chase. Let's say this is the Chase, and they will ask you to which account. You understand? Well, we've been inactive, but that's all you need to know. You understand? They've logged me out because I've taken time though, but that's all you need to know. You just put the amount, the account you want it. Select from the bank account you are coming from, which is the Chase you added, and the account you want it to enter, which is your present account. You understand? So that's it. Then you click on continue. Then the money will drop within 24 hours. You understand? So that's it.